Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam and I hope you guys are all doing spooky, well, and just soaking the time that we have, the road to Halloween. I'm shocked. I'm always shocked, but this is like my favorite time when we're like counting down, going through August slowly because it's gonna go by fast. And then September is literally gone in a second. And then October is just so crazy and so busy for everyone. I just really enjoy the road to Halloween. In today's video, I have a new Halloween haul for you guys. I'm really excited to share my Halloween finds for 2025. I'm gonna try not to go crazy this year. We'll see. And by that, I mean just buying any and everything. So I thought I would share the little spooky finds that I gathered. The stores that I will be mentioning that I shopped from is TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and I think that's it. HomeGoods has really stepped up their game. TJ Maxx, you know, they stepped up their game with the summer wing collection. They always had it in July, like right after 4th of July, if you have been a longtime shopper of TJ Maxx, but it all goes so fast since everyone's like now into Halloween more so than ever. I have this already, ghost serving board, and it's made out of, I believe this is tile ceramic. Someone will let me know in the comments. Now the one that I do have, I have it on our kitchen counter. Usually I'll burn like a candle there, and it's kind of like where I keep my little knickknacks and stuff that I need to grab easy. This one is a little bit smaller, different shapes a little bit. I just love it so much. Right now we're in an apartment. Back in my previous life, I love hosting friends. I love having friends over. I love like decorating, getting snacks, drinks, all of that stuff. I'm a sucker for any kind of like spooky serveware. I just love collecting it. Eventually, I think I will get back to my Halloween parties. It's just kind of hard in this apartment. Kind of going along with that last item, I found matching coasters. I try to change them out per season. They're all spooky. Love, love, love. When I'm shopping for Halloween stuff, I also kind of think about how can I transition this into another like season, like with Christmas. Last year I got some Christmas decor to do like my Creepmas tree and stuff like that, but I just did not have time to decorate. I was able to visit back home for the first time, so I was just like, well, I'm not going to be here to enjoy it, so what's the point, I guess. This would go so well with my Creepmas theme that I have in my mind, but it's a set of 4 coasters and they're like the same material. So cute. You get a set of 4 in there. Sometimes their candles, I feel like, are hit and miss. It really just depends. The price I do enjoy because it's super cheap. It's a 2-wick. This one is like a sweet clove, which I really appreciate. Another thing I'm obsessed with, I feel like I say that so much because truly, like, everything that I buy is a category of what I'm obsessed with. But tote bags, you guys, I'm really obsessed with tote bags. I cannot have enough of them. If there's a cute one, I'm gonna grab it. So I found this little mini tote. This is from TJ Maxx, and it has these little ghosts on it. So cute. It's very like October, very trick-or-treat, very like Halloweeny. On the side, it does have stripes. It's patterned on both sides. These are like the perfect lunch totes. I call these little lunch totes. I just love the size of them. I love that they're compact. If I'm ever like going outside, sitting somewhere, going to a coffee shop, working for a bit, usually I'll take one that's this size, like a little spooky one. Sometimes when I use the bigger totes, like just things get lost in there and I'm like, where is everything? The tote bag is only so big, but once you put stuff in there, it somehow disappears. This one is a repeat purchase because I was taking some photos last year for a collab that I had, and I don't know if I left it outside or something, but I cannot find this tote bag anywhere, and I was so attached to it. I thought it was so cute, and it's this one right here. It's a black tote that says Boo, and it has all of these little ghosts on it. Just such a cute little simple spooky pattern. I love it so much. I realized I lost this. I was like, what the heck? If I find one, I'm definitely gonna snag one, and so I just had to get this because I could not stop thinking about where the one was that I lost. Next up is this pair of hand towels. I can be kind of picky, like if they're actually kitchen towels, I keep them in the kitchen, and then if they're bathroom, Put, the material's different, like it just feels different. So these are kitchen, but I kind of thought that with my Etsy shop and with I'm always having to take photos of like my Halloween happy products, I was like, okay, well maybe I could use this as like a little backdrop if I didn't put them in my kitchen. These were so cute. You get 3 of them, 2 ghost patterns, and then you also get a striped pattern, and they're just so thick, just a lot of fabric there, which I appreciate. And these are by Rachel Zoe. Do any of you guys know who Rachel Zoe is? Well, she's coming onto one of the Housewives franchise, but she had her own show back on Bravo a long, long time ago. She was like the it fashionista girl. Like, I actually thought about if I should watch that show, rewatch. I was obsessed with it. I mean, I think that's the same Rachel Zoe. So since I don't have a kitchen table in the apartment, we do have like a countertop that we have stools. It's like in our kitchen. It's like kind of an island, kind of not. That's like our kitchen table is where the stools are, like right by the sink. I love switching up my little table mats that I put out there, my little serving plates that I'll set up out there. Usually I change it just for October. I have Halloween decor in my apartment everywhere, every single day. So I have to try to find little ways to kind of feel like, okay, this is October, time to decorate for Halloween. Not that the magic gets lost, but you want to just feel that, you know what I mean? You want to feel that October is here kind of magic. I grabbed these placemats. First off, like the ghost, yes, there's so many different ways that you could style these. I could cut it if I wanted to and kind of use these, face them up if I wanted to, which actually might work for Creepmas if I'm thinking about my theme. So I'll kind of see if it's doable. It's not a big deal if it's not, but also since it's like right at the top, I could always place a glass there or something like that when I lay everything out. Okay, another thing that I did find, now I have a few like buffet tables, I guess you could call them. I don't use them for that. I have like one behind our couch, and then I have another one by my coffee station, and I will probably use this on either one of those tables or maybe even our TV stand. This is like pretty long, but it's this table runner, and it has these oversized tassels, kind of like little ghosts. I'm just kind of on a ghost kick right now, apparently, with all these little ghosts, dead inside. It's almost kind of like a velvety almost, but it's not so high maintenance. But yeah, I will probably use this on the TV stand pretty long. So you guys know I'm really trying to speed through filming this video because I hate editing my videos right now in life. I hate them. I'm trying to just get to the point so I don't have to yeah. I found this little ghost face ghost picture. How stinking cute is this? Flowers would look so cute in this. Obviously, I could use it like when I'm serving drinks or something like that, but I just thought it would make such an adorable little flower vase. I mean, come on. Have a spooky little brunch with this and put orange juice in here. A mimosa. Another set of towels, and these are kitchen towels, but I will say with this fabric, I would definitely be fine with using these in the bathroom just because they are the softer, fluffier towels. But I'm obsessed with this green. Oh my gosh. So for my Creepmas theme last year, I was like, okay, I'm going to focus on black, white, and like kind of like a, not a lime green, but it's like a mossy green almost. So I was like, oh, I could use that for Creepmas. I could use it for Halloween. I could also use this for like a photo backdrop if I wanted. Definitely had to snag these. You guys know what I mean? Like kitchen towel versus bathroom towel. Like it just feels so different. I thought these were really cute. And if I see any more, maybe like some pumpkins, I definitely will grab them. They are these bag clips. So adorable. Look at how cute these are. You get 6 different skeletons, and as you can see, you get like a white one, a beige, and black. They do have magnets on the back. I was like, oh, I could use these as magnets. I could use them as bag clips. I could even dress up a bag that you had, like a purse, a tote bag. You could even put these in your car, like on the visor would be really cute. Like, could you wear it in your hair? I'm sure you actually could if you took the time. Besides the point, it's not a tutorial video. I also did find the same back clips, but these are ghost. Also get 6 of these, and they do come with magnets as well. Just a few more things to share with you guys. I always like looking in like the beauty essential aisle, the hair accessories. Usually I wear my hair down, but sometimes in October I'll get a little crazy, okay? I found some Halloween hair clips. These, I mean, literally everything was too cute not to get. But these are from Piper K. You might have already seen these. I didn't see these last year, but I just thought they were so adorable. So you get a few on here. You get a little cat, candy corn, a row of jack-o'-lanterns. You get this little witch, and then a cauldron, which is so cute. Are you kidding? I would almost turn these into little brooches. That would be adorable. So cute. You get the point. You're probably thinking, Sam, enough with the books, enough with the activity books, but I couldn't help myself, guys. I really couldn't. This is like a scratch and sparkle one right here. It has a scratch off card to create spooktastic Halloween crafts. I love stuff like this. It's just so cute. And there's different activities, pages where you would scratch off, and it has like the sparkle stuff underneath. Get a few pages of that, and they're actually little like die cuts. Like you can do a pumpkin mask, you can just all the fun things. This one is glow in the dark happy Halloween. It's packed with puffy stickers, fun activities, and creepy card press outs. So here are the little puffy stickers, as you can see. Just more activities, coloring pages, like a little spooky web. You can put little spiders on there, little bugs. Halloween themed dare to pair game where you can punch out the cards and you have to like grab the matching set. When we went to the hot air balloon fest in Billerica, they had different vendors, and I did see someone who was selling dog scarves, and I'm a sucker for a good old dog scarf, especially if it's like at a fair, a craft fair, if it's like a vendor that made them and sewed them. I have so many hand sewn bandanas just because of Raven and Denali, and now Abra gets to wear them. I got her the screen one, which I think will pop so good with her little spooky spider fur. I probably have something like this, the same fabric anyways, but it's this candy corn. And these ones, you actually slip the collar in so they can wear them, so you're not really having to worry about tying and it coming off. I personally like the tie bandanas. Yeah, you'll probably be seeing Abra wearing those this spooky season. I've 3 more items. Not even joking, but there's probably like 5 blankets in this closet that are hanging up as we speak that literally have tags on them still that I probably got 3 years ago, which reminds me, I'm going to do a giveaway on my Instagram. I'm going to do a few, so just stay tuned for that, okay? Because there's just, sometimes it's too much Halloween stuff in my office. I want to like share the Halloween cheer. My point is not that I needed another blanket, but I don't have one like this. Nothing too crazy or anything, but it's like I like when they're the huge ones. Like I'm kind of not over them as in I think they're lame, but over like I don't need them because I have literally probably 50 of them are like the fleece blankets. And I mean, don't get me wrong, if I see a cute pattern, will I get the fleece blanket? Probably so. I found this one, and this is more like a heavy duty one, and it's super nice. And I've been wanting to get new bedding for the bed and kind of like, not redo the bedroom, but kind of just do it, because honestly, besides this room, everything is just like I found this blanket, kind of like a low-key Sherpa, but not so high maintenance, not so like Sherpa, like it's just a Sherpa, I guess it's like low Sherpa, if that makes sense. It has all these bats on it, and then I like it because of this side, which is so pretty because it has the sparkle, because it has the shimmer. I thought this would go great with Creepmas theme too. Also, if the sound is awful, I'm so sorry. We're still playing with the mic. I'm still playing with the mic. Now, what can I say? Do I need them? No. I don't. I'm well aware of that, okay? So the pillows that I currently have on the couch, I have like my favorite cute ones in my office. The ones on the couch I've had for like 15 years probably almost 20 years. I kind of want to like get rid of them and kind of just get new pillows for the couch because my couch is so dark. It's like a dark gray, which works for my gloomy heart. But in this apartment, we don't have that many windows, so it definitely like darkens the room, which you'd be surprised. For as much as I hate the sunshine, I hate when it's dark in my apartment. Like I like it to be bright, but gloomy bright, if that makes sense. My point was, I got some pillows and I found these two. These were kind of a little pricey, my opinion. What do I know? And also, I heard when we were watching a movie on one of our movie nights, someone was telling me that they literally were buying stuff at TJ Maxx, but then the TJ Maxx staff was reticketing the items to a higher ticket price because they know how well Halloween sells. And so they literally are like taking stuff off the shelf and reticketing to like a higher price. That's wild to me. We're not getting into that. Not on this video anyway. But I found two of these. They're so cute. I love that the jack-o'-lanterns are popping. And you also get a little pumpkin guy, like a little pillow charm. Ain't that sweet? I don't know. You could also make an ornament out of this. You could also make a bag charm if you wanted, a keychain. But I got two of these, and they're like massive. I don't know if you can tell how massive they are, but they're massive. And they're so squishy. Hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween haul. Let me know what's on your spooky shopping list. Are you done with Halloween shopping? Is there like a month that you like to go? Like maybe it's in September, maybe it's in October, but just remember, if you wait until October, like it might not be there. Even September, it might not be there. Even today, it might not be there again. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram. Join my 100 Days of Halloween Happy, where we share different photos and reels pertaining to the prompt of the day as we count down Halloween, the road to Halloween. I can't believe we're like literally driving on the road of Halloween. Like I'm about to pull up to your house, I'm about to honk, and I'm like, get in, loser. We're going to Halloween. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.